Hey, Lisa here with Fired Up Automotive. Now, if you caught my last video, we talked about surface rust on brakes, which is harmless. It's a noise that goes away in the morning. Go watch it if you haven't. But now let's talk about some other common brake noises that are not so harmless. Okay, first noise. It's a brake squeal. You've all heard it. You know what it means. It's probably time to get your brakes done. But did you know why? Your carrying car manufacturer wants to avoid lawsuits. I mean, they want to keep you safe. And so they actually put these little tabs on your brake pads. This little tab right here is called a brake wear indicator, or a lot of people just call them squealers. And once your pads are worn down enough, that tab makes contact with the rotor, and that causes the squeal that alerts you that it's time to get your brakes inspected. Now, we all know the brake squeal. Let's talk about another noise. Let's say you're, we're not gonna say lazy. Let's say you're very, very busy and you put off getting your brake job done. This friction material causes friction up against the rotor, which turns kinetic energy into heat. And that is what stops your vehicle. Eventually, all of this friction material is gonna wear away and you're gonna be left with just a backing plate. You can see where it was, but there's nothing left. That brake squeal is going to turn into a hideous grinding noise. So the problem with this is not only is it really unsafe, it's probably also going to cost you more money in the end. Now look, here's the bottom line. Your brakes are critically important. There are many reasons why your brakes can make noise. Be sure to have your brakes inspected by a technician if you hear or feel something abnormal with your brakes.